Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know I haven't uploaded in almost 2 months now, and I am so sorry about that. Life has just been a little bit busy, and I honestly have tried sitting down and filming a couple of times, but I felt like it just wasn't like coming to me naturally, I guess you could say. So hopefully this time works out. I definitely am feeling in good spirits about filming this video today. So I am back, and we are going to kick off with a Shop Miss A haul because I love these hauls. I know you guys love these hauls, and I absolutely love shopping on Shop Miss A. So as I always preface these, I am a Shop Miss A affiliate, so I will make a commission if you guys do shop through my Shop Miss A links. So thank you so much in advance for supporting me and my channel if you choose to do so. No pressure though at all, but of course I appreciate you guys, and links to everything will be listed down below. I really hope that you guys enjoy seeing this haul, and if you want to see what I got from Shop Miss A this time around, make sure to keep on watching. I would say my biggest tip to you guys when shopping on Shop Miss A is look outside of the best sellers, look outside of the makeup and beauty section, because honestly my favorite items from Shop Miss A recently are home stuff, like kitchen stuff, lifestyle type of things. I really love that because it's like, how are these items $1? That's my favorite section from Shop Miss A. So first and foremost, this flower as well as the vase that I have are both from Shop Miss A. Let me go ahead and grab it. I was absolutely shocked to see an item like this on Shop Miss A, and I just thought this was so cool. Right now they have so many of these fake flowers, and they even have little succulent pots that you could make all with like fake plastic succulents. This was only $1.88. Again, this was in their home and like bedroom section, I believe, and this is the pink base. So obviously this is very lightweight. It is plastic, if you guys can hear that, but for only $1, I feel like this looks like I paid more money for it. Like, come on, this is so cute. And then I picked up 2 bunches of flowers. I believe these are some form of lily, if I'm not mistaken. And then these are the carnations. So obviously have a pink theme going on here. I definitely like the lilies more. The carnations are a little bit like flimsy, and they're a little bit too tall in my opinion for a vase like this, but for again only $1, not bad. And I thought it would be perfect for my vanity and my filming background. I always thought this corner was missing something a little bit taller. So I know I have fake flowers on both sides of me now, but those are actually from the Dollar Tree as well. Love this. This was such a good find. Definitely would not be a Shop Miss A haul if I didn't pick up a ton of sponges. I absolutely swear by the AOA Studio Wonder Blenders. Every time I shop at Shop Miss A, if you guys have watched my haul in the past, and you'll know I always pick up one of these 6-packs. I believe this is $7 for 6 sponges, so just a little bit more than $1 each, maybe $8, but I just think it is an incredible value, and the sponges are so soft. They work so incredibly well. Definitely an awesome beauty blender dupe. You guys know me, I will never spend more than like $5-6 on a sponge because I promise you do not have to. I go through these Shop Miss A sponges like crazy, and since they are so inexpensive, I feel better about just like throwing them out in a decent amount of time, not holding on to them for months and months and months. And it kind of keeps it more sanitary when I could keep cycling them out. And then on top of these 6-pack, I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 individual sponges. So now I have 11 sponges to work with, which will hopefully last me through the end of the year. So I picked up 2 of the nude beveled Wonder Blenders. The beveled ones have that flat edge, and these remind me of my favorite e.l.f. Flawless Face Sponge with that flat edge. So I grabbed 2 of those. I love the nude because they don't really look too dirty once you use them with my foundation. I picked up 1 of the hot pink bevel, 1 of the black beveled sponge, and then I also picked up a black sponge, but this is just the normal like teardrop beauty blender shape. So safe to say I am stocked up on sponges. Definitely check out the Shop Miss A sponges. My top recommendation every time someone asks me what they should get from Shop Miss A, 1 million times over. The sponges are incredible. And the next item is more of a lifestyle item. I thought this was such a good find for only $1.88, I believe this was. And this is their mini first aid kit. I plan to keep this in my car. Just think it's always good to have something like this in your car or when you're traveling on the go. Look how cute this little case is. First of all, I love this, and it actually fits so much more stuff than I thought was gonna be in here. So in the mini first aid kit, you get a bandage with this kind of looks like a sling as well. You could probably use it as more than that, but this large bandage. You also get the wrap bandage, a little roll of tape, which this thing is so cute, and everything is individually wrapped, which keeps it nice and sanitary too. So this is the little roll of tape. This also comes with a couple of little tools, which I was not expecting to get in here, but you get like a little bundle, I guess you could say, of safety pins to pin the bandages, a plastic tweezer, I guess if you have to kind of like pick anything out, and then these little scissors to cut the tape in the bandage, which they're not very sharp. They definitely seem like, I don't want to say toy scissors because they're definitely going to cut through like tape and bandage, but they're not super sharp, so that's safe. And then a couple of just like smaller items, alcohol pads, bandages, and a sterile gauze swab. So all of that for $1.88 and fits in this cute little package. Also, this sounds so good. I'm a little bit of like an ASMR nerd, I guess you could say, so I love the sound of this. Can you guys hear it in my microphone? Okay. Next product. This is not an ASMR channel. A little bit more of a random item, but I grabbed this happy birthday cake topper in rose gold. So it's a sparkly metallic cake topper, and it comes with a couple of sparkly hearts as well. I just thought this would be cute. I feel like every time it's someone's birthday, we're looking for something to put on the cake. This is what it'll look like the finished product. If it wants to focus, there we go. If you could see. So I just figured this would be something cute to throw in the junk drawer just to have it on hand. Again, only $1, and then I picked up another pack of the LED tea light flameless candles. I definitely have purchased 1 or 2 packs of these before from Shop Miss A, but I absolutely love them. If you guys watch the haul that I did around Christmas time, I got cute little candle holders like Christmas tree and reindeer for the holiday time. So these little tea lights go right in there. I love that I could use these instead of lighting an actual tea light. I really love these LED tea lights for like holiday time, like I said, for just decorating or just to kind of throw them around the room just to get like that moody vibe if you are someone who likes candles but you don't want to actually like light the flame or worry about the flame or something like that. These are really, really good, and you get 2 in the pack for $1 or $1.88. I think a lot of stuff on Shop Miss A now is $1.88, but still, such a good deal. Next item I thought was a super cool find in the kitchen section. This is a bottle brush. Also picked this up for only $1.88. I actually grabbed this for my boyfriend because he has a really tall Yeti and also a Hydro Flask. So I figured just to kind of really get in there and clean it up and make sure it's cleaned really well. Definitely don't sleep on their kitchen stuff, you guys. I'm telling you, they have some really, really cool stuff and little gadgets. Another item that I am so excited about, and when I tell you guys, once I saw this, I instantly added it to my cart because I knew I wanted it. I was looking at some on Amazon, but they were more expensive. So I picked up a squeegee, and I got this to clean my car windshield, specifically from the inside, because my windshield, I don't know if you guys can relate, I cannot get it clean and smudge free from the inside. No matter what I clean it with, no matter how often that I clean it, you could always see the streaks from where I was wiping it. And when the sun hits or when it's nighttime and a headlight hits, it's just all like streaky, and it really kind of, you can't see as well, I guess is the words that I'm looking for. And this is full size. Like, it's not probably as long as I would have liked one to be, but for the price, definitely going to try this out. It is pretty large though. It's like as wide as my head. Definitely going to clean my car with this one day because I'm so interested to see if this will finally solve my streakiness problem that I can't seem to get rid of. Next up, I grabbed this magnifying mirror. This is like the 8x zoom mirror with the suction cups. I already took it off of the packaging, but I don't know, I just felt like when I'm like plucking my eyebrows or shaving my face, I just wanted something a little bit closer. This would probably be really good for those of you that wear glasses and when you can't see when you're doing your makeup. So I feel like just getting really nice and close, or when I'm like doing skincare, this is bad because this will influence me to do more extractions and pick at my skin, but I'm going to really try not to do that. So do you guys see? It's actually so distorted unless you get really, really close. And there's my camera. Another beauty item that I did grab are these AOA Studio lashes in the style Chloe. I love their Alexis lashes, and I actually just did makeup for a bridal party and they looked beautiful on everyone. So I probably should have grabbed more of the Alexis as well, but these just looked so pretty and fluttery. I love like the little groupings and the spacing on these Chloe lashes. So it could never hurt. Do I ever wear lashes? Not really, only for special occasions like weddings and Halloween and stuff like that. This past Halloween, I didn't even wear lashes because I was Heisenberg / Walter White from Breaking Bad and my boyfriend was Jesse. So definitely didn't need lashes for that costume, but these just look so pretty. When I was browsing on the website, I figured I would snag them for only $1. Why not? Can never have enough lashes, even if you're someone like me who never really wears them. So I also picked up these snowflake shaped LED lights. I am already in the holiday season. I know it's only early November, but my mind, like after Halloween, I could jump right to Christmas. I am that kind of person, but I am holding out on decorating, but that doesn't stop me from purchasing decorations. I've already purchased a couple new Christmas decorations this year. So these are their snowflake shaped LED lights, and I love these. They're kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see, I have these little battery powered string lights behind me right here. Kind of like those. In the past, I bought these in the shape of Christmas trees and they just look so pretty. Let me take them out of the plastic so you guys can really see. These are just going to look so pretty hanging somewhere. Maybe I'll put them on my background or replace those ones in like winter time and fall time. But like I said, I do have these in the Christmas tree shape. So I'm so excited to see how these ones look. There's one little snowflake up close. Last but not least, I grabbed a mouse pad. This was a $1.33, which again, I was looking for a mouse pad on Amazon, at least $6. This was such a steal, and they do have a large one and a small one. I ended up going for the small one, but I just thought this was so cute. So when I do work from home, I could go ahead and add this to my little setup. This one is the pink marble, has some little hints of orange in there, but you guys know me, I love the pink and white, and this one is definitely the most my vibe. So can't wait to use this when I'm working from home. Also, sometimes at my work from home setup, I plug in my personal laptop with my monitor and I'll use that little setup to edit. And I just purchased a pink mouse for my editing, so this will go really cute with my mouse. Just thinking of all the little details. And my laptop case is pink and white marble too. So now I'm gonna have the full setup when I'm editing and working from home. So I just thought that was a really good find too. All right, you guys, so that is going to complete this video. That is everything that I got from Shop Miss A this time around. Like I said, so many cool items. I love the flowers, the mouse pad, the squeegee. Just really excited for all these more like lifestyle items, but please don't skip out on getting the sponges. If you guys place an order, at least try one for $1. They are so, so good. But all in all, I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing today's video and spending time with me today. If you did, and if you want to see more Shop Miss A hauls in the future and encourage me to shop more on Shop Miss A, definitely give this video a thumbs up so I know, and it really helps me out. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel before you leave. I would love to have you guys here as part of my little YouTube fam. If you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, click that notification bell down below and you'll get notified every single time that I upload a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.